First step. Mix all the ingredients of the white part with a fouet on a low-medium fire in the stove. Don't stop mixing it until it's unglued from the surface of the pan. Approximately 20 minutes. If you stop mixing, it will burn. Take care. Second step. Exactly as the first. Leave them in the fridge in a plate covered. Wait until completely cold. Now, after it's cold, time to roll up. With a pinch of oil in your hands, take a small part of the white and another small part of the chocolate part and roll them up together. Pass that in the crystal sugar and enjoy it. Have fun. This recipe needs on one stick pan as wide as possible, so it is possible to cook quickly. You might use the same pan for both parts, since you start with the white one.